In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write inline equations in Notion quickly and easily. Let's dive straight into this tutorial, which is designed to demystify the process, making it both fast and efficient. First, you'll want to head over to Notion and enter your connected workspace. This is the place where you manage all your wikis, documents, and projects. If you haven't already, make sure you're signed in. If you're not familiar with Notion, don't worry. Logging in is a simple process. Simply find the Login button, which is typically located towards the top right of the page, and click on it. Once you're in, this will bring you to the Notion home. Now that you're at the home base of your Notion workspace, your next step is finding the specific page where you want to insert your inline equation. This could be a page you are already working on, or you might want to create a new one if you're starting fresh. To open a page, simply click on a page listed on your sidebar, or create a new one by hitting the Add button and selecting a new page. When you've decided on the right page, it's helpful to organize your thoughts and content by creating headings. This is not only for your visual hierarchy, but also for ease of navigation. Click within the page, and you can create a heading by typing a hashtag, followed by a space, and then your heading title. This will make your page look structured and professional. Once your page layout is ready, it's time to get down to math. All you need to do is type math in the body of your page. This command is the magic key to inserting equations. You'll notice a small menu will pop up, showcasing a list of options. From this list, select Inline Equation. This choice allows you to incorporate mathematical expressions seamlessly within your text. After selecting inline equations, you will see a new entry field appears where you can begin to type your expressions using latex. Latex is a typesetting system that's widely used for such purposes, and it's perfect for rendering complex equations clearly. A little familiarity might be needed, but there are plenty of resources online that can help you grasp the fundamentals if you're starting out. Remember that practice makes perfect. The more you use Notion's math input capabilities, the smoother your equation writing will become. And there you have it, a clear path to incorporating inline equations into your Notion documents. With these steps, you'll be able to add an extra layer of depth and meaning to your notes, ensuring your mathematical expressions are as organized and accessible as the rest of your content. Enjoy your newly enriched Notion workspace.